This is my drawing of Yoshi from Super Mario, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. We'll begin today's lesson on the top left side of the page. We want to draw a circle with an open end on the right side. So let's start down here. Just going to go all the way around our circle, coming around the side. And I just want to pull this back in towards the corner of the mouth. Coming around, come down, just pull that up to right about there. Now right here, it's going to add a bracket along the end. Let's go back up to the top left side. We're going to add two curves to the nostrils, one coming in and down from the left, and one from the right. Let's go back to this point. Curve the cheek, going up and then across. And I'll tuck the eye in behind the muzzle and the cheek. So we're going to start right here, going up, round out the eye, and then pull that back down. Let's draw that same shape in behind. So we're going to start right here, going up, around, and then down. Let's add two ovals. One on the left is going to get tucked in behind the top of the muzzle. Let's fill that in black. Now we're going to move over, just going to line this up and draw a full oval for the right pupil. And then we'll fill that in black. Let's go in between the eyes. We're going to add a fold across the brow, going up, across, and then down to right about there. And let's draw the back side. I'm just going to tuck this in and then come down. Let's add a bump, going out and then down toward the cheek. Now I want to curve the cheek, going all the way around, come down, and then in towards the neck, to right about there. Let's go back to the corner of the mouth. We're going to add a trim. We're going to go up, out, and then down. And we'll draw the bottom of the neck, leaving a gap in the center, going out and then up underneath. Now from here, we're going to leave a gap just underneath the head, draw the front arm. We're going to start here, coming down and across. Let's add a fold. Coming down, I'm going to draw the thumb, going up and then down. Step in, draw the finger going out and then in. Step over, draw the bottom of the hand, coming down and then up towards the wrist. Now I want to step down. The arm is going to get thinner as you go up towards the shoulder. It's going to close off the top with a curve. Let's go back up underneath the chin. We're going to draw the body. We're going to bend this out and then down in behind the hand. Let's go to the base of the neck, add a seam, coming down and in behind the arm. Let's move over, draw the back of the body, coming in behind the shoulder. Now we're going to continue this down, pull this up. It's going to curl the end of the shell, follow this curve going up towards the shoulder, and then bend that back in towards the neck. Now along the back, we're going to draw the shell with a half circle. Let's go to the back of the shell, draw the tail. We're going to curl this up towards the end. Now let's round out the body, coming down and then in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's continue the seam underneath the arm, coming down, across and out towards the side of the tail. Now we're going to go back to the bottom of the body, draw the edge of the boot, going up and across. Step down, draw the top of the foot, going across and then down towards the bottom. Let's go to the back, we're going to add a fold. Step back and draw the heel coming down towards the same height. Then we're going to add two curves along the bottom of the foot. Start with the left side, coming down and all the way across. Add another curve across the heel. And then we want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the foot. Just going to close off the sides and then just trace that same curve across the front and the heel. And I want to finish off the body underneath the hand, curve this down and then in behind the foot. Now let's move over, draw the back foot. We're going to draw that same curve, coming down, curve this in behind. Let's add that same thick sole on the front and in. Now we're going to draw the hand in behind. We're going to start up here, draw the thumb. We're going up, come down, curl that up towards the top. On the outside, let's draw a half oval, going out and then in. Come down towards the bottom, draw the rest of the hand coming in behind. Let's draw three rounded spines on the back of the head. We're going to start from here, going up with a curve, round this out and come back in. Just leave a gap, add another one. Then we'll add one more along the bottom of the cheek. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Yoshi from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.